Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the accent of Google Translate. So first of all, all you need to do just go and open whatever browser is currently working for you or whatever browser you are currently working with in your PC. Of course, it could be Google Chrome, Opera, Brave, Firefox, Internet Explorer is working for you, Microsoft's Edge, whatever browser working for you will be great. But for Google Translate, I suggest for you to use the Google Chrome browser because Google Translate actually do not support all the browsers if you would like to use the option of translating the voice of yours. So, of course, once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type translate.google.com, and that will take you into this page, which is the main page of the Google Translate website. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to change the accent of the Google Translate. So let's say as an example, I would like to translate something from English to, let's say, Japanese as an example. And of course, let's just here type hello, how are you doing? And here, this will be actually our translation. So of course, if you want to hear it, we can just go here and click at this listen, and we will hear the accent of the person that's saying this sentence. Of course, as you will see, okay, I want to change it. Of course, if you want to change it, you'll be able to change to other languages, and that will certainly change the accent. Of course, if you want to go deeper than that, you can use another website, which is Natural Readers. Just go and type it and go to the first link, and that will take you into this page. And of course, from here, you would like to start for free and just paste the translated sentence right here in this website. Of course, it supports many languages, and then you can hear it by different accents. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.